Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic sky in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut and I'm going to create cinematic sky for this video. I'm going to replace the sky in this video with a cinematic sky. First of all, I'm going to go to the overlay and I'm going to add cinematic video to my project. Click on overlay and then tap on add overlay, and I'm going to replace my sky with this one. It looks cinematic, right? You can get this video from internet or from the CapCut library. I'm just going to use it to replace my sky. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. Then I'm going to go to the mask option. Wait, go to the mask and select the horizontal mask. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the position to make it natural, and I'm going to drag this little arrow to blend it. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to go to the blend option or the splice option and choose the type of the blend mode, and I'm going to try it one by one and select the best blending mode for my video, and I think this one looks better. Okay, and click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic sky in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.